Hi, we would like to tell you about a project for young people called Be You. Be You is a project that listens to adolescents because your voice matters. As a young person, you may go through a difficult life experience, and this can affect how you feel, think, and grow. And that's why we're doing a survey in school. We ask simple questions about your life and well being. Starting from April 10th, the survey will take place at the GVP school. Your answers are completely anonymous. No one will know which answers are yours. The project is supported by people who care about young people and their well being. This information helps us better understand teenagers and improve support services. And by sharing your experience, you help create better support for other young people. And for parents, this project is safe, respectful, and focused on your child's well being. Want to know more about the project? We warmly invite parents and students of the GVP school to come to the information evening on April 8th in the evening. Thank you for being a part of BU. Together, we build a stronger future for Statia.